My friends have bought a bar. This venue was previously known for having live music, and they're going to continue that in their bar. And I'm lucky enough that they've invited me to come take some footage of behind the scenes of what it takes to remodel a music venue bar so that they can make it into their own vision. I'll show you all the teardown, the rebuild, where they take this old stage and their plan is to move it clear to the other side of the venue. That's a lot of work. They are right at the beginning of their journey, and I plan on capturing as much as I can. You can see that this is going to be a lot of work. Personally, I love this stage of the game because it's just demolition and you're just tearing stuff apart to build it new. And this will probably be the MVP for most of this teardown, the good old sledgehammer. So please, comment down below if there's anything you'd like me to make sure I capture footage of or ask them about of any part of this process, and I'll try to do my best to include them in my videos. Stay tuned because this is just the beginning.